Bitter Truth Complete Story. In a busy market lived a shopkeeper who secretly cheated customers by mixing stones with rice. People trusted him, and that trust became his tool. One evening, a poor woman bought rice for her children. At home, she separated the rice and found stones at the bottom. The next morning, she returned without anger or noise. She placed the stones quietly on the counter. The shopkeeper's hands trembled. His lie stood exposed without a word. Ashamed, he returned her money and asked for forgiveness. From that day, he sold honest goods and built a new life on truth. He learned the bitter truth. Lies bring profit for a moment, but honesty builds peace forever. Moral: a bitter truth saves a future. A sweet lie destroys it.